Alright, so I've been making videos of somewhat lesser known features. So I saw one video where someone said that the second row of the 7-seater Model Y doesn't recline back, but it actually does, just maybe not too much. I don't know how far the 5 model reclines back, but let me show you here. Alright, so there's a button here that you pull up on, and normally if you're not sitting there, if you pull it, it'll just fall and hit you. Alright, but if you're sitting there, okay, then if you pull this, you can actually lean backwards a little bit. Alright, so you can see you can lean backwards a little, and actually if I pull my seat forward a little more, because right now it's hitting the back seat, I can actually lean this back even further. So this is somewhat of a decent recline. It's not too bad. Again, the normal amount, so if I pull it all the way to where it's like gonna fall on me, I can go like this, and this is the normal amount. So I'm sitting pretty much, well, not completely upright, but it's a little bit slanted. But again, you can do this, and you can lean back. That's probably a good 2-3 inches at the top that it leans back. All right. And then after you get it leaned back as far as possible, you can roll your seat back to see as far as you want. All right. So once you make sure it's locked in the right position, you can go ahead and roll it back as much as you want. So that way you have like a more comfortable seating position, or more relaxed seating position, I guess. And you can do the same thing with the other side. There's the same handle or button on the back. I'm going to roll it forward again, and then I'm going to do this and recline back. Right, now that I have it reclined back, I can roll this back more, and there we go. So now you have this seating position. So this is more like if you're tired, you want to sleep. I wouldn't use this for sitting because it feels weird leaning that far back. So I mean, it depends. Some people prefer sitting like that, but for sitting normally, to me this is a lot more comfortable. All right. So yeah, I'll do the same thing. Put this one back. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. I don't know if you were able to hear me all the way in there, but yeah, bye.